Oh my gosh.
Oh, okay.
Oh my god.
Okay, I guess we don't get too close.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Này hoàn thành bên đập kiều kiềuขึ้นไปเลยเนาะ
Look at that! Oh my gosh! He's gonna scratch my foot! He's gonna scratch my foot! Oh! Oh my god! He just scratched my foot!
มาตัวสู้เลย
Holy crap. Oh, you freak. Oh, he's eating apples from his He's
Oh God, Pete, your pedal's too close to that one. Sorry.
Take it home. It just bites harder.
Does it hurt?
What's that?
It got something in his mouth or something?
Yeah, his arm.
No, come on.
To come out this way. Hopefully my brother could do something. That'd be great.
Yeah, but why can't they come and like, you know?
Channel 7 News are coming right now.
Yeah.
Sheldon Fox in Westchester.
Let's get some Sheldon Fox in there with his suit on and with like the several layers that he has.
Alright, I'm gonna jump in there and try to get him out, guys.
No.
Oh, he's on. He's on. Oh, he's gonna come off. Oh, he's going hard. Oh, shit. Get out of there, son.
Here we go. You've eaten that lure. Jesus Christ! Holy moly! Right in the corner of the jaw. Holy moly, that was a big boy.
Não, que ele vai vir em cima da gente, mano. Olha o jeito que ele tá, filho. Olha lá, mano. Ó.
Aí ele volta.
Vai, Fusca. Olha.
Đành đuốt thằng kia. Thói kia thôi, thói kia. Thói gì? Nó riêng cái nào bên đây à? Mìnhจะกินของกินในรถเนี่ย
You gotta be kidding me.
Wow, you ever seen anything that big?
No, never.
I think that's two guys in an alligator suit.
Ну чё ты, ну иди сюда, иди сюда, иди сюда, ну привет, мой дорогой. Чё ты, как дела? Как? О!
This dude is getting in the way of me going to the bar. And he's really scary. Please don't come this way. I don't like this. The bar is that way. Please move. Please move. Come on. Oh, me. No! He has a boner.
Alex, he's putting the wind in it. Alex,
Let's go in. Let's go in. Okay. Here it comes. Okay, okay. Go on. He's huge. Oh my God. Go on. Go on.
All right, I'm gonna close this door.
Go on.
Go up the creek.
Look at the camera and say goodbye to Hoss.
Going up the creek. There you go. There you go, going up that tree. There you go. Can you make it?
Tem que filmar ele andando com a faca.
Tá filmando já.
Ei, esse aí é o caranguejo do sítio de Niri, ó. Repare seu filho da pele é manso. A gente foi matar ele, ele tomou a faca e tá ameaçando todo mundo.
Oh, yes. Oh my God.
He's so mad.
Yeah, I kept trying to tell him, don't stop, just keep walking. Déjalo que suba hasta la cabeza y te lo quitas, hombre. Porque ahí se te va a coger todo.
And we're recording. So we've just been looking for barramundi out here and doing a Eucalyptus Wild Tour, and we've just been spearing barramundi just up along these logs. We've had a little bit of luck, and kind of had to stop and be like, well, gotta be careful, because at the end of the day this is saltwater crocodile country, and you can see how crystal clear this water is. And guess what, guys? We were just about to spear a barramundi right here, and then guess what we saw?
Я боюсь, он сейчас начнет. Давай. Сейчас пачка
Tom.
Oh my God. Oh!
Folk kan si ek weet my in die boom opgejaag.
No.
โอ้นี่คือพลังมดนะครับ
ตัวเนี้ยไอ้พวกนี้ชุดตรวจการ
ดูโอ้โหดูมันต่อกันแถวเลย
กลับรังมันไม่รู้รังมันอยู่ไหน
ถอยหลังเดินขึ้นด้วยนี่
มันเดินขึ้นเนี่ยถ้าตัวนั้นเหนื่อยมันจะถ่ายกันนะ
เนี่ยดูดิตัวไหนหมดแรงมันออกเปลี่ยนทันทีเลย
ยาวเลยอ่ะ
ถ่ายกัน
You got snacks. No, he doesn't care. Is he taking my sleeping bag? Okay, just drive a bit closer maybe. Just keep an eye out for others.